Sira na. Sira na. Wag lang dito.
One week later.
Kuya Mark, come here. May surprise ako sa'yo.
What? I'm playing my guitar.
Yan na.
What? It kind of looks like a box, like a... Oh, we're
It's a
gonna build...
wagon.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be a Jack in the Box. And he's here.
Assemble natin.
Yeah! Mark to Mark! Yeah!
Kuya Mark, ano yan? Meron tayong gulong.
Yes, gulong. I mean tires.
Tapos,
I don't know.
tornilyo.
Yes.
Bakit meron kayong ganyan?
Adjustable.
Because we have a... We're gonna build
Tsaka wagon.
Yeah, wagon body. It's a wagon body. And Alia's building something new with there. Ito muna sa Tita's hand. Yeah, that was heavy.
Tsaka tornilyo.
Oh, okay. Well,
Ganyan, ganyan. May bearing, may bearing.
Very
Yan,
this. Wee, Tyson. I'm gonna be a mechanic if I grow up. I'm gonna be a mechanic today. Be a builder. I'm a good builder. Oh, it looks like a T-Rex. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, 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 chomp. That looks a bit. I will be fixing everything. What is? I want to use that. I just want to use that thing. I don't know what even that is.
I'm going to use this for a Titan.
Oh, I want to use that.
Pahigpit.
Yeah, it is awesome. It moves. What are these two holes for? I thought you all need only one hole in the middle. Now we're gonna put this heavy. Oh, is this really? Oh, this more lighter than this one. This is so
Akin
heavy.
yung dalawang
This
malaki.
thing is so
tornilyo.
okay. La 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 la. The berry inside. The berry on my side. I want to use the bearing. I want to use the bearing, Papa, please.
Hindi na yan.
Ah, okay. Can I use
Yung
this
bearing wala
bearing?
na.
That's not a bearing.
Oh.
Anong pangalan niyan, Papa?
Oh, wrench? You said that it was a bearing. I'm gonna be a mechanic. Spidey web. Time to the wrench. I'm gonna build this with my spidey web.
Okay na yung wrench.
Okay.
Paano mo makikita yung ginagawa ko lang dito? Pakita.
Who's making that? Oh, no, it's over there.
Hey!
What did you do that? Oh my goodness. This thing is my favorite part even though it's heavy. This thing might make this heavy and this thing so
Kuya, lagyan mo ng gulong. Di ba marunong ka na? Kuya, marunong ka, di ba?
What?
Maglagay ng gulong.
Kuya! Ah!
Okay.
I can do it.
Yung sa baba. Lagyan mo sa baba.
I want to use the wrench. Where's the wrench?
Hindi, huwag nang rin.
What?
Lagay mo na lang yung gulong. Ayun na ako na yun. No, inapit mo lang. Ito mo. Bila na.
Alright. What was that?
Gulong.
Alright.
Yung isa, lagay mo.
Let's have the bearing. What is the bearing doing? I'm gonna use.
Wala pa yung isang gulong na tinik.
Where is it?
Sa likod mo, kuya.
Oh.
O, ikabit mo na yan.
Yeah. La la la.
Kaya mo yan ikabit, di mo?
La la la. Wait. Oh no, stuck. Yeah, come on, you. Come on, come on, come on. This thing won't come out. This is saving a screw.
Lagot sa Aliyah. Ba't ginanyan mo yan?
Oh. Tire. Yeah, this is gonna be a long time. Put the net.
Anong net? Not in the net.
Where's wrenchy?
Matalingan po yan. Ay, baliktad yan. Hindi yan dyan.
Oh.
Dito natin. Dito yan.
Oh. I didn't know it. We got this. La. You're one loader. I want to use the wrench. I want to use the wrench for this tire. Let's get out of here. Ooh. And look down. I see the wrench. I always want to use the
There.
wrench. It's always finished, but I didn't.
Done. The wagon is done.
Eli, Eli! Ano na? Eli, tama na. Eli,
Yay!
I want.
Okay na.
Hi, kids. This is how to use them. It's simple.